All right, what do we have here? MaXPeedingRods, adjustable coilovers. These include 24-way adjustable dampening, aggressive linear spring rates. So this will get your car handling much better than your factory suspension. The best part of it is it has independent preload adjustment with your ride height adjustment. That's really what you want in any kind of coilover these days. So if you are looking for a budget friendly coilover setup to drop your car, improve the looks of it, and increase the rigidity of the vehicle, look no further than MaXPeedingRods. I got a promo code down below if you guys check out with my promo, and you guys can save some money for yourselves as well. I've ran this exact same setup a year and a half ago in yellow, and I had pretty good reviews for it. The best part of this kit that it is a complete bolt-on. Comes with all the bushings you need for the rear divorced suspension. The front suspension is pretty much a direct bolt-on, plug and play. And again, the last kit I had did me pretty good. It does offer a great range of adjustment for lowering your vehicle, and the dampening, you can definitely tell the difference in dampening from the lowest setting to the stiffest setting in your vehicle's suspension. That's a lot of adjustment right there. The top hats actually do come with a camber plate, and you can adjust the camber a bunch of degrees, negative or positive. And it does have a pillow ball style design top hat, which does increase the longevity of this whole setup. However, a lot of coilovers with pillow balls do squeak and make some noises, so make sure you guys pre-lube these ball joints here with some heavy duty grease, and from my experience that helps pretty much eliminate most of the noise on these coilovers. All right. The grand finale. We're still fine-tuning the adjustments here, but I did go lower than previously. As you guys can see, I'm kind of tucking from the front tire. I definitely wanted to make sure I start tucking, just because my tires are getting older. I don't mind running them down a little bit. I am rubbing somewhere here on some plastic on turns, but overall I'm really digging this look right over here with it tucking. Take a look at this side. I still have to lower the passenger side probably another 4 to 5 mils to even out the other side. I'm not exactly sure. Either I may pick the driver's side up or actually bring this down. I'm pretty happy with the overall look. Again, I'm not a fan of reverse rake, so I got my ass up just a little bit. The back has maybe like a 1-finger gap here. 1-finger gap, just the way I like it. I cambered out the front wheels a little bit, so they definitely take up the wheel well space pretty well. You can see that it almost looks like there's a wheel spacer. I'm not sure actually on the actual camber measurement, but the camber plates are pretty much zero. Before I had them cambered in a couple degrees, which did help handling, but you know, I gotta prolong the tire life. So overall, again, MaXPeedingRods, I'm pretty happy with the coilovers. I am going to be making another video on what to do if your MaXPeedingRod coilovers are clunking. I've had a set and you know they did clunk, and I did solve that issue, so hopefully we figure it out. But overall, I'm really happy with the product, and I am happy with the item. If you guys are interested in it, use my affiliate link down below to get yourself a discount on them. Much better than my previous setups. Again, I've run suspension setups from different companies, different brands, springs and coilovers, and Raceland was the worst coilover company I've had for this specific application. They may have better products for different applications, but man, the MaXPeedingRods compared to the Racelands, because that's the only comparison I can do as far as coilovers, these are much better with independent spring preload to height adjustment and dampening. They knock out everything else that you need compared to the Raceland. So if you're looking for a budget coilover, these are an excellent choice. This is the second set I'm running, and I'm pretty happy with them. So overall, can't say anything bad about them. For a budget coilover, it's definitely worth the money, and I'm loving the way the car is looking. So thanks for watching, guys, and again, catch up on the turbo rebuild if you haven't, and the turbo project. Have the playlists in the folders under my profile, so check those out.